Here's why you want to become a millionaire. You ready for this? It's not because of the money. It's because of who you're going to become in the process for that type of money to come into your life. If you're a nice person, you make that kind of money, you're going to help some people. How many of you want to help some people?
Yes, sir.
You want to give more. But you know, in order to give more, you need time. Life and death is in the power of your own tongue.
That's right.
So you have to open up your mouth and start declaring what it is that you want. And you keep saying it over and over and over again. You will be amazed to know how this thing is going to happen.
I'm so happy because I record how many patients I have been helping already.
Right.
It's close to 385.
Wow.
Yes.
I had dialysis on Monday evening, took it Tuesday morning, and I'm telling Dr. Lee, I was in town immediately. I had energy, I believe this was in dialysis for 15 years now. I've felt the best.
Yes.
Wow.
Toast to health and wealth.
The company come around, I jump on board and I can't regret. You said if anybody make champion in the month of February, they getting an extra 500.
Wow.
I told my wife, we getting it.
So you need to get some extra income, so I tried it out. It turned out to be very not so difficult to do. All you have to do is just open your mouth and speak about the business and get money in your pockets.
We want to develop a community where we're helping you to grow your faith, grow your understanding of who you are and who God created you to be. And then you can use the vehicle, and you can take the vehicle anywhere you want to go. As I said, you can drive it like a Tita, or you can drive it like a Ferrari. I like it.